This is a restoration of Kids Creek. We've had an existing creek bed that over time has become filled in and isn't really functioning as intended, as nature intended. So we're restoring it to a more natural setting to aid with sedimentation and water quality for the whole watershed, really.
Kids Creek is on the state impaired waters list, and this is because of basically too much stormwater in the creek. And previously this stream, it had no floodplain relief, so whenever it rained and the creek filled up with water, it spilled its banks and it flooded the entire area. So you can see we've peeled back the banks. This will allow the stream to fill up with water, but it's still contained within a floodplain area, so that way the water won't spill out and start flooding into the pavilion's backyard. But what it also does is that floodplain functions to slow down the water, to trap the excess sediments that get into the water during runoff periods, and it traps that sediment and prevents it from going further downstream. Sediment covers up valuable fish and insect habitat. So why we really care about Kids Creek is because of that ecosystem, because of that habitat. We want to provide that so that way we have a healthy functioning habitat and people can go fish in Kids Creek and people can walk along it and realize this is what a natural stream is supposed to look like, and you can have that balance between an urban area and a healthy functioning stream.